Hi students, now today we will discuss about the electric power. In class 9 you have the idea about the power. What is power? The rate of work done. Rate of work done is known as power. That means work done by time is we know that power is equal to work done by time. Now for the electrical power also, electrical work done by time taken. So you can write the electrical power. Electrical power means also electric work done by time. So here you can write that is P, electrical power P, electrical work done, suppose W, and time is T. So P is equal to W by T. Now W is the work done. So here if through this resistance R, I current is flowing. I current is flowing. Why? Because the potential difference V is supplied across the two ends of the resistance. And current I flowing means the charge particles are flowing. So we know that V is equal to W by Q. That means W is equal to VQ. And if you put the value of W in this equation, suppose this is equation 1. So put the value of W. Put the value of W in equation 1. Then we can write P is equal to, at the place of W we write what? VQ. So VQ by T. So from here V, Q by T means current flow. Q by T means current flow. So here you can write P is equal to VI. So this is the formula of electrical power for any electrical appliance. Now you can represent this formula of power in different way. How? From Ohm's law, we know what V is equal to IR. Put this value in this equation. That means P is equal to, at the place of V you put IR and there is another I. At the place of V you put IR and there is another I. So that is P is equal to I square R. This is another expression of power. Again, we know that V is equal to IR. So from here we can write I is equal to V by R. So in this equation P is equal to VI, if you put the value of I, we know P is equal to VI. So P is equal to V and I, at the place of I if you put V by R. So if you put V by R, at the place of I we put V by R. Then that equation will be P is equal to V square by R. This is the another relation, that means expression of power. So electrical power here is represented in the terms of potential difference and current. Here the electrical power is represented in terms of electric current and resistance. And here the electrical power represent in terms of potential difference and resistance. So potential difference and resistance. So these are the three forms, that means three expression of electrical power. Now from here we can write the electrical energy. What is the electrical energy? So when some electrical appliances is working, suppose an electrical fan or any bulb or any heater or any electrical appliance is working, that means some electrical energy is used. Suppose a electrical fan is working, that means electrical energy, for this electrical energy the fan is working. So here the electrical energy is converted to the mechanical energy. For the electrical heater, the electrical energy is converted to the heat energy. Now this electrical energy, how can you measure? That is electrical energy, if I say about E, electrical energy, E is equal to electrical power into time. E is equal to power into time. And what is the unit of energy? We know that the unit of energy is joule. We know that the unit of energy is joule, but for the electrical energy, we can represent this energy in different way. Suppose power P is equal to 1 watt. What is the meaning? P is equal to 1 watt. What is the unit of electrical power? Unit of electrical power. What means electrical power? That means we know that here in this expression P is equal to W by T, electrical work done by time. Suppose the electrical work done is 1 joule and time is 1 second. If 1 joule work is done in 1 second, then the power is known as what? 1 hour. So here in this box, if I write the 1 watt is equal to 1 joule by 1 second. That means here P is equal to W by T. So at the place of P we put W, we put 1 joule, and at the place of T we put 1 second. That means if 1 joule work is done in 1 second, suppose electrical work done is 1 joule and time is during 1 second, then that power is known as 1 watt. And for this case, for this electrical energy, suppose P is equal to 1 watt and T is equal to 1 hour. Then E is equal to, at the place of P we put 1 watt, and at the place of T we put 1 hour. So 1 hour, that means 1 watt hour. This is the unit of electrical energy. So what is the meaning of watt hour? Suppose any electrical appliance having power 1 watt and it is working during the time 1 hour, then the electrical energy consumed or electrical energy used, that is known as 1 watt hour. Suppose any that means appliance, suppose any small LED bulb having the power 1 watt and it is working it is glowing for 1 hour. That means how much electrical energy is used? 1 watt hour. Similarly, if P is equal to 1 kilowatt, what is the meaning of kilowatt? Kilowatt is the unit of power. That means 1000 watt is equal to 1 kilowatt. And T is equal to 1 hour. That means E is equal to, at the place of P we will put what? 1 kilowatt. At the place of T we put 1 hour. That means 1 kilowatt into 1 hour, that is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. This is also the unit of electrical energy, and the name of this is a special name that is known as BOT, Board of Trade Unit. This unit is used for the commercial purpose. In your home, the electrical bill you have to pay the electrical bill every month. But how the electrical energy is measured? The electrical energy which is used by you, which is used for the case of domestic purpose in your home, how much electrical energy is used, that is measured by this unit, BOT, Board of Trade Unit. That means, suppose in your home one appliance having 1 kilowatt and that is working 1 hour, then the electrical energy consumed or used, that is known as 1 kilowatt hour. In your suppose in your home the submersible, suppose in your home the submersible having the power 2 kilowatt and it working for 1 hour, then what is the electrical energy consumed? 2 kilowatt into hour, that means 2 kilowatt hour, that means 2 BOT. So this is about the unit of electrical energy, that is watt hour and also kilowatt hour, and this kilowatt hour is known as the BOT, and this is the commercial unit of electrical energy. And if you want to establish the relation in between 1 kilowatt hour and 1 joule, you can establish. So you will do it by yourself. What is the relation between 1 kilowatt hour and 1 joule? Okay.